Good evening, guys. Good evening. Happy Sunday, guys. Good evening. How is everyone doing? Happy Sunday. Weekend. Happy weekend. Happy Sunday. Please, guys, share and like the video. Invite people. Just a very short one. As usual. Please, guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Lady B, who is perfect. God bless you as you do so. It is well with you all. Amen. Thank you, guys. Today's topic is a very short one also. Let's talk about the issue on ground, people. Most issue our mouth put small, and so way they be. Something don't enter social media. Everybody go see shook him out, put small. If you like, if you don't like, not still put your mouth. You understand? So me, I'm all the people where they analyze issue, the great analyzers. Everywhere good, not be the analyzer we will contain the insults, but the one we go just say, talk to each other in a way we will still pick some points. In every nonsense sense the day inside of my people, man, no get and twisted, okay, guys. So let's go there. It's a very short one, as I always promise. Me, I don't like to, sorry guys. Me, I don't want to be very long in a video. I'm always, hit the nail on the head and make it short so that everybody can enjoy it. Because as for me, I always say when a video is too long, I get bored, Yes, of course, I might be enjoying the video, but you cannot expect me to watch your video for 3 hours, 6 hours when I'm a busy mommy. A mom of kids at that matter. So I'm very busy, So I always pause and rewatch, pause and forward and so on. If you want me to enjoy your video, just make it quick and short. It's very enjoyable, Bring out your points, just say them one by one. Hit the nail. Don't beat around the bush. Don't beat about the bush, People will still enjoy it. It doesn't mean that, staying for 6 hours, 10 hours, that will make you to, I don't know, that it will make them to recognize you, If you see a lot of bloggers, they don't even stay long, but they will just quickly block what they want to blog and leave there. But they are all monetized and so on and so forth, For me, like I always say, I will say I didn't come out because of whatever in it, involved in it. The money involved, I came out because it's fun for me to come out. I feel like pouring my heart, pouring my mind, And we are the part of speaking truth, the ones that will say the truth. Just be in the middle. Wherever anything is going on, if anything, they happen, make they break them down. I know that breaking down in the street pass. If anything they happen, you're in the middle. So you are not to spoil or to change things, but to just, encourage or to just make amend and make, things change. Like telling the first one, Mr. A and Mr. B, okay, it's okay, Mona do like this, meeting settle, Yeah, where, sorry guys, yeah, where I go no get save any or $1. So what am I saying in essence is this, my people, is that, sorry guys, I did a video just now, but the video just kind of mistakenly, I don't know what happened. Someone to just press something, it just deletes somehow, So I said, let me just remake it again. By then, I was making my daughter hair. So I was trying to just talk, and my kids were all over me. I think their noise, they all showed, but never mind. Anyways, I just decided to remake the short video again because I was saying something, a point. I was having a point of what I was saying. My people, and do I greet you now well. So the matter when you want to talk, be say this issue on ground, we be seeing these two people with the quarrel. So good evening, guys. Share the video and like it, please. God bless you. The one where then they get issues, so they quarrel. So they just try to settle their differences. I don't want to call their names, but I feel for that lady yesterday when she did talk, when she did do live video too. They talk saying, and so she don't suffer follow the other one where they France, which everybody know. I really feel for her. It really touched me, And really, me, I remember as I watched a lot of videos or some videos where be say the time we be say some kind thing happen. We come be say come like say everybody come they run, they reject that one with the France. But this one come out stand gidigba. They make a lot of video. They tell them say yes. He go fight for her, say nothing they happen. She really tried her best anyway. The truth is very bitter. They say if you see good, you talk. If you see bad, you talk. For me, I know you know what happen within them because I don't really want to choke my mouth inside their matter. But the fact or the truth must be said. If things don't be like this, two people they quarrel. But your feel say I beg concern me. And I don't want to choke my mouth for the matter. You see, throw away small advice put for your platform, say make them still try, make them settle their differences, not be to make them fight or quarrel or make everywhere bust, but make them just still settle things, make them still do everything in a mature way, in a way where be say everywhere go good. You understand? Both of them. Now one want make them fight or kill themselves, make them just settle. You understand? So me, I don't know, like I talked before, I don't know what they really go on. But according to the lady yesterday, she talk, say down with this spin, they talk, say now the other party, the other person, the man with the inside, where they help them for their ministry or something like that, not that one they cause trouble, they go. Why the other one they France, the lady say they support that one, say that one don't do anything. People will say that one don't do anything, make them come out. But the way me tell look the matter, if that one day in your platform, fear no go let those people talk. Whether not fear or not respect to me, I not come no. But they baffle me say some people just come Europe, come from Nigeria. Either na Libya you pass on, aeroplane you pass on, whatever. All of them are risk. You just come, if you can't enter the Europe, you can't just say no, na one person, na one man, na one woman, you want to serve as your papa, as your mama, or as your mentor. That's what some case happened the other day for the social media where be say some people, husband and wife, because they get issue, they can say the wife, they always get mentor, which is this lady will be pastor, Funke, something like that. Now the one I destroy the relationship. I don't want just divert from the topic. I don't want, like the let them change. The point where I just try to talk BC, I don't understand what they go on, but now advice I want to throw away, give them, say they try to settle their differences, no matter waiting. They have both come a long way, That one, the other one, they spend already fight for this woman. I believe that so the other woman we see the France was also fight for this lady too. But waiting we see the woman, for me, she tried. The truth, me I know they follow that woman at all. Even the two now, if they bring her out from Aproko, now see they try to watch her. You understand? I know they follow that woman, but when our brother they do video yesterday, one of our brother, where she can't call put now the icon they watch her. The things they touch me. She too, she can do her own live video. The thing can touch me, where she they say, I be people don't see and the way she they fight for her. Say all her fight, all her tears don't feel go in vain like that. Say she not go green. Say if she just do one thing, she will forget that person where she can't insult. Sorry guys. That person where the other one be the insult where they France. May she return the course. If she return the course, everywhere go good. If she not return the course, the thing go escalate, So we don't want anything escalate. Me I first use this. Me just tell our lady where see the France. May she really return the course so that we not even hear more than this for what they happen to both of them. May peace reign. But I go still repeat and make say they pay me say some people come off for Nigeria, come off for Nigeria pass, Libya pass, what did they call them? For now, just come enter. Una go dey call person una mentor. Una go dey call person una mommy. They call una daddy. They call person una God. In short, they serve the person like una God. The thing they really, it beats my imagination. The thing they sometimes they bust my enemy score. I don't know how our people take this. Some of our Nigeria people. Una come up for Nigeria. If na Libya na come pass or anywhere una pass na risk. If na aeroplane na see enter na risk. Una come see say yes, una really dey and not die. God come help una. Una you carry one person as met wa be garmo ba and understand. I don't say man no respect or make anybody, but no. If something not too much, you not come good again. Now you're gonna serve one kind of person, somebody serve God. To the essence, and I'm not going to even get time for God like that. They want to serve one woman or one man. But now you get time for one woman. They say mommy. They get time for one man. They say daddy. Daddy, name mommy, name. I don't understand. And the worst, they don't they call their mama. The first talk and they don't they call their mama mommy. They don't call their papa daddy. The first talk for one of my video. They don't go talk and they don't go call their papa, their mama, mommy, bets. Then go they call one person, they call their mate or mommy, daddy, this one, that one, give her money, give her this one, they follow her. I don't understand. I don't say I don't follow her, but why we hear when you're aware, when I see they mature, why all those kind, what they call, sometimes they mention that one word, I don't they insult anybody, you say, about babobo. For your mind now, she been on me, we know they follow and I be the akbabobo. I don't understand. Where I know they try to put anybody down. I like the lady self where see the France. I know they too follow her, I don't feel like. But if they cut and come out for a proco, the way she speak that are English with the funny. Now me your love where and the way she sit, they try to see encourage people, all those things. She still get good at the way they look at too. But it's like she's too kind of proud of herself, like too pompous, she be ultimate. She's supposed to cut that ego down. She's supposed to cut that pride down, Don't be so. But then, now with the follow, I agree to now. For me, I just them on my own level, I don't feel connect one person, my godmother, my mommy, my daddy, never. They suffer and they suffer like we both. But now I want one new marry. I want to marry the person even say carry me conserve after everything does settle. Me if see her now, I see her. I feel like I would greet her. He go move me. Or I go even tell me, say, you don't greet me, my picky. I'll say, I don't tell her one day. I say, sister, if I don't greet you, she tell me, say, my picky, are you there? Call yeah, I will still use the opportunity to greet you. No, you're the expensive. You see me, I will still greet you. They say, la beze, la mogu, la modu, abila minini, abego. Yeah, you not get business. Again, our agreement don't settle. I don't, everything don't settle. So no reason I say, if I see you, if I not calling down, or they bend down, or they not thinking. If you think I'm a miss call, you just die. Wrong number. As I tell her. Say, me, you not get any business again. Our agreement would already settle one. Excuse me, I they owe you. Say no, now say okay. So now make if you see me, if I not greet you, you too, if you see say, hello, we my picking you day, not me anything. Oh, my picking do call, but yeah, my picking call butter, oh, we butter, good evening, oh, my picking. Now me gonna turn back and look you again. Obviously, I not first see you for the first time. I'll conceive that go draw my attention. That's okay. Mama, good evening, or all those kind of things. You understand me, my people? So to cut you so short to become here, as I did promise you now, always I know they like me, my video they long. May those two ladies just try to settle themselves. I make it like Billy as well be me see. When I just settle myself, make big rain. May the other lady difference. May you try see for whether not return the cost that person where you cost. I say one woman will be say not be small picking we can the place cost on. Say now that one the vessel where say if you do that one say you return the cost. Yes, you don't get issue with you go forget go calm down. So I beg me she for yours as in I not be even follower. I don't the follower. Not be my friend, nothing. But I see the video, the things he touch me say. You know what he can touch me for? What he touch me for the video, as she they talk, you know what he can they pay me. The way she they talk, say she shed tears, the thing pain her, And really, a lot of us saw the video which they fight for you. The video she take fight for you with the France. I don't want they call una name. But now advice now day. You understand me? The video day. If I could do all I could go for all of them and they remove and then bring the video come out. The day where she take put chest on a modu code. Everybody come they even they talk, they cause I'm not now you go come and say now you go the chest and not they happy for now one time when I die. Now mama, now this. It's about the France, now mama, now this, now even I for us. So for now I kill now say when I die, you know, cause I know when I buy for now I buy. Everywhere good, you know, those kind of things. She did it for real, she did her best. Not be everybody go come out like that, come do all those kind of things, they fight for person. Not be everybody not easy. That is just the truth. But she did it. At the end of the day, come be like say some kind people, I know you know what people they come be like say all the things we should do. Now I come turn to say na do humor and now I can use ungratefulness to pay. It can't be what they call ungrateful human being people. Now she do that thing too. Now she bring chest come out they fight for. So me, I don't understand. The only thing me understand. Una be our people. We know it now we like una, we love una. Mona said two things. May the matter now escalate past this one. May the whole one of you know within two all of within both of una. Another thing again, she do show yesterday. People no feel as people they call no want to say now. So the man will be the middle muscle where they cause the quarrel or rather way then they complain also. Nobody thought say now so he do bad or he do good. Everybody they say no, not good person, not good person. But person come there, another person will come there live video. They talk the matter. Everybody come, people cause they call, they say, now that me notice they don't say the man not be good person. So what he do, so what he not do. Hey, that's one man go we call, one man go call the work in there. Is you wa? One man go call the work. Is you one go my way? And what I know in the doctor, una ma o in the doctor mo. One man go call ni. And then is you wa go we. Wala dian do we anything wa ha mame. One man go wala dian. One man go instead wa be the bad way. He's a nice person, he's a nice man. But if another person will do the show concerning the matter, you not come to talk, saying a lie, say that will not be better, I don't understand the matter, why you piri. I'm not clear. The matter not your clear at all. But everywhere good, what do you want to talk? When I say to ourselves, when I say to our differences, make peace with them. You understand? You two, with the France, everybody already know you. My advice be say try to return the course when the woman say may you return. Number two, I'm not supposed to use this word, but you know yourself, you know how it is day right now, you know your condition. You see, they try to avoid all those things, now those talk. I don't know the kind of God we they use, only God can know the kind of God, or you know, some people say no be God, now they not here, again everybody, mama. Now our traditional this thing, nobody talks say now so. But whoever will they fight for you, may you, as in, I expect that being. Or anything, anything at all. You understand? I know they against you. Gonna wait till you they believe on. People say they follow you, they believe on anything they work for una. Or till they go against una, me I no know. For me now, God Almighty, me no way create heaven and earth. So now advice I they throw away for una. Una see the sense inside, una see remove the nonsense, throw away. Una say to una self. Or not good, nobody they perfect. Why I talk before this matter, me I watched the video with that woman. They fight for you that time, that year. She been at 2-3 years, you cannot call no again, but something like that. I watched the video where she continued she called now every day she called even they come out for live video she not able to come out for live video again like that now. Make her bomb me in live video. Yeah, the other lady no rare is pain. Which is queen for inside, it's more they see every day. That time I they see them every blessed day they go for road for street or supermarket or anywhere they go they talk about the matter. Mona leave him mama Mona leave him mama who try who trespass and go tell and say that. So you know that woman fight for you, forget that thing. You cannot tell matter. I will. The truth is so bitter. He fight for you, if not all those things he do, still reason and may you forgive or forget. Now let that thing she do, see reason and make you calm down, make you just do according to her wish. Let me say her wish say you want, now you wish you want follow. Do that thing which they thought say she don't like, where you go do it, go swear for woman, where be say not be small picking again. don't want to really return the cost, me, anything, especially not because of any reason against say fight for you. What you expect now? Na good news. Na good news they expect. People don't face that say mock you. Me, I don't join, I don't mock you. Me, I don't feel mock anybody. I know say God must do, I know what God don't do. Now God don't do it for you. No use all this correct put for front. Because they expect good news right now. Anytime from now or when you're born. If you're born, everybody will see come me too. I will see comments. Say do video like this. Congratulations. I'll say tell you yes. Because I will your mom maybe gui, maybe little baby go my car gui them have a gui. You don't know it not can too. My way my way con them have a con because my kanya. But the truth is very bitter. Or the media and the matter don't the media. People is see how we here. People you destroy the past, they say I beg you. But because I listen to people. And they don't want to talk. That's it their own. But some people not feel endure. They must talk, say no. Not before you sort for anybody. Advice say when I settle, when I forget. Gui was settle. Not for any reason for the picking, for the baby where they come. So when I settle, you understand? You when it is the inside body, where baby they your body. Try to calm down, be calm it down. They calm down well. Yeah. You be my namesake. You be my namesake, confirm. You understand? And that name my mama papa give me my native name. Just they calm down. I mean, you see, be like me. People they call that name, but they prepare us. But as for the talker, you do one video one day, you say few people they talk, come and they go past once you talk, you don't finish for them, then go keep fly. But will not go talk if you do bad or any voting, go you keep quiet. You go say, go your rest, not go talk. That person go keep person, go fit bad person. And there be the devil himself, and are true. I watched that video some months ago, and it's true, you are very 100% right. People they talk, they don't go fit even fly. They don't get that mind, they get soft mind, and they get the best golden hearts. But when they talk, I pray. Now then be the okayele. Or carrying no way, the truth is bitter. So because of all those things, we pass away they talk, just calm down, you know if you do, you don't get that mind to take do evil, you know understand. When I settle, the fire record they come out for social media. May this one I beg, that lady fight for you. That lady fight for you for Yuri Motor. I know I call your name since, but I need to call your name now. That lady. A queen fight for you where you get issues. When they carry costs, come and do this one, not so they don't do you. She fight for you. Now she come out for live video. They chest time. Every day, what regular dia. People say, oh my man, they say, oh, no, you query for. I don't like to you. For my man, I got the reason. If I just see video, I just see the movement. I say, I beg you, no, make me marana. This one not even this, they not even way. Wait, see, every day we need to come and do the talk. Let me say maybe every day you see come out, cool your mind, they talk. Now, they advise people or one or two things. You go see they're different. Go they talk. Sometimes they work and they go for streets. Go they talk. And maybe mama, nobody, no plan of the plan for her. And it cause not cause her. And I head don't carry the plan. And I head don't carry the cause. Not be ahead. The cause down the house, the cause they. And the cause of you, Jonah break come out. Una say me no enter Nigeria. Now safe. She go they talk. I'll say, oh God. That time I never even understand the matter. Which kind of woman be this one every day? Oh, I get Latia. You're the talk. It will cost this one, that one. Na mama. You're na mama. I go the reason say, salute about this water ministry. I know it to now. When they do the thing, or send what, so thank God. But I got the reason I say, oh, all this thing want too much. The person they hear what they give for social media. Which I try to talk, the woman fight for you brutally. I mean, she fought for you. She used her own last blood, her own last. They come the people, they come and they cause herself, say, where may you enter house? Or that man person, or that man, this people for head. Which kind your mama? Person when you reach to born, and they fight for the call your mama. Enter house, may you go do this one, may you go marry, may you go born. People, and they look comments, people, they even insult her. She not go even care, go say, when I insult her now, and I head now they talk. And now my mama not trespass. You know, at the end of the day, people can't even calm down as in the matter. A long story, but I can realize a lot of people can see the matter can calm. When she they come at the chest and they say, na so nothing dey happen. The matter can really dey somehow can people continue to run for the issue the way they wanted to do am. I beg una know the story. I don't need to dey talk all these things. So where you stand for, I don't need to talk story. My stand is Mona just try settle. Think about the past. I beg. Think about the past. La wo ba settle every year. As well, I make it and like when I forget any social media, we don't have to them we expect every see where you be around and where you move money and your reason and if not for any reason for the baby where they come where you want born. Think it's your mom maybe he I'm blessed with kids. Go watch my video they talk I'm blessed with kids. I know how many God give me, so nobody are going there. I'm here, no when me those about blessing my fair in Jesus me. Bless him by. So that's the way the matter be. So that's what I want to in the live screen right now. When I your time when I said so, may this matter not come may not go catch fire for social media because of this issue. When I just calm down, when I said on our differences, not for any reason. For the fact say she fight for you, and secondly for the fact say something good they come your way now. Where they your body, where they come now. Let that pikin come down in a good way. Say no quarrel, nothing. I'll be saying the quarrel now you and this woman now. Good say the pikin come meet quarrel mama person they quarrel social media they carry. No. Just calm down or you too they calm down. With difference. They calm down. Yeah. Calm down. Forget. When I said to now yeah. So I don't talk with you, I want to talk. So, but I'm not saying again if I go forget all those people. Followers. Some of them like when I get to face sharp, when they carry to face the workout. Because she did do like video yesterday. He said, Una call today and so Una call they support and say the man, the daughter a nice man, they do anything. Now very good man. Now the name na go bless him. But another person do video. Una can go they talk, they call for there. Hey, that's what you do it on your backbone. That's what they'll bring something call for you. They go say, now so the thing, now the thing, now this one. How they do two-face now? I'm gonna see they stand on my lane now. I'm gonna see they straightforward now. Then I went to face it, but one can kill now. Me, I don't understand not the person carry on a come. I want the whole person be say, now don't pass Libya or pass aeroplane, enter Europe. Now see they fear one person. And they fear on a method, fear not let on talk. Now they call on method mama, mommy, when I not call on mama, they call on daddy, you are not call on papa. I don't understand now why they greet you now with better style. I know now. I waffle now. Now I can't do all those things finish now. Now I call it the same person day. I beg, I want to drop this video. As I don't finish for this my talk. I know me I talk and pass this one. May not be say best you talk, so that's why I thought to write me. Nobody find me trouble, but I just want the advice. So when I see take the advice, when I remove the year one, any year one with this, I'm not verse. The good one, when I say accept them, when I see they use and see they grow, they do one or two. So that's why I talk and wish good night, people, and happy Sunday once again. One love, bye, and please share this video, like this video, share. Like it and press the notification button. Bye bye.